What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to take a look at the concept of variables in Java programming. Variables are same as, like, if you have learned C or C++ or any other programming, the variable is always same. For example, let's say in math, when you have x is equal to some value 5, and when you add x with another y or something, well, let's say y has 6 and x plus y gives us 11, right? Because x and y are replaced with these numbers. That's what variable is. Now here we are going to see how to do this variable operation in Java programming. First, I'm going to create a class, public class, and let's call this one as apples. And inside of this class we are going to have the main function public static void and main. Inside the parenthesis we will have string, args, square bracket, and then inside of this curly bracket we are going to assign a variable. So let's create a double type of variable. Let's name this one as coffee, and I assign a value for this coffee. Let's say coffee is equal to 5.28. Okay, now I'm going to create a printout statement. First I'm going to put system.out.print, and here I'm going to say I want, and then to assign the variable, what we do is we put the same thing, but for assigning variable we don't need this double quote mark. That's the only difference. Okay, so here we just put the coffee right here. And there are two types, like you can have print ln, print alone. If it's print ln, it means it's going to create a new line, but if it's just print, there's no line, it's going to print continuously. Now we are going to see both way. So coffee, and also let's say movies, something like that. I copy paste this one, paste this one right here, and let's say this is movies. Okay, that's it, and let's go ahead and run this one. So just click this play button and it says I want 5.28 movies. You can see this coffee is replaced with this number, so I want 5.28 movies. And now let's look at a case where we have a new line. So let's put ln. If I put ln, that's going to be new line after that. To see that new line, I'm going to create another system out statement. Okay, let's copy, paste it right here, and I put apples here in a quote mark. Okay, now let's go ahead and run this one. Here you can see I want 5.28 movies, and the apples are in the next line because we put print ln instead of print. If it's print, there's no new line. If it's print ln, there's a new line. And the variables, when we do the variable operation, we don't have to put the quote mark. That's the only thing we need to know in variable operation in Java programming. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you are trying to learn Java programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.